Jai Hind, everyone. Welcome back in the LWC course series. And today, in day 25, we are going to learn a very important and a new topic that is communication. Communication in between LWC components. Okay. Now, this communication topic, or I should say, the communication between the LWC component topic is very important because you might have heard so many times reusability. Okay. So when you have developed a component and you want to use that code, that functionality in other components without doing the same coding, the repetitive task, then you make your components communicate. When you have to, pass the data from one component to another component, then you have to, use the communication concept. So we will see this diagram. And in this diagram, you can see that, we have the three scenarios. One is child to parent, another one is parent to child, and the unrelated component. Let me, this may tell you about these. So this is, the highlighted section, which is smaller, the rectangle, which is, inside the larger rectangle. This means that, this is the smaller one is a child. And since the arrow is upwards, so the child component is actually trying to communicate with the parent component. In the another, the diagram, the second one, we see that we have the parent to child component communication. So the larger rectangle is highlighted one, the colored one, and the smaller one is the child, and the arrow is downwards. So downwards means parent to child. Okay. And in the third scenario, where we don't have any relationship, unrelated components, okay, means we don't have any relationship. They are not, the parent or child. No, these are totally, the independent and unrelated one. So we have, the third way of communication, which technically we see as LMS. Okay, so we will, learn each and every, the mode of communication in the the previous lecture. In one or two times I have used child the component and the parent component, and I have called the the child inside the parent. At that time this concept was little bit confusing for you all, but now since we have started with day 25, now your concepts related to the communication will be clear. Okay. So in the next few lectures, we will be just, learning communication, communication, and communication. Okay. We will start with the parent to child communication in the next lecture. But before, you learn day 20, the 6th, it's important to revise your concept because we are going into the advanced level now. So your basics should be very very strong. So these episodes are already available for you. Revise them. Any doubt, put a comment section is open for you. The contact details, we have a WhatsApp group, the Telegram group, and on my LinkedIn page, every detail is available in the channel's communication section. Utilize those, ask your questions, ask your queries, and keep learning. We'll meet again in the next episode. Till then, take care of yourself and your country. Jai Hind.